Welcome, folks. Let's talk about Ansible Roles, the magic ingredient that keeps your playbooks neat and structured. Think of them as tiny automation wizards that work behind the scenes to keep things running smoothly. They help you avoid repetitive tasks, stay organized, and manage configurations effortlessly. So buckle up, because this is where the real fun begins. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. All right, time for a proper introduction. Ansible Roles are like pre-packed automation kits. You set them up once and use them forever. They make your playbooks clean, concise, and manageable. No more tangled scripts or messy configurations. Ready to make your automations smoother than a fresh jar of peanut butter. Downloaded an Ansible Role. Great, but hold on, don't just throw it into your playbook blindly. First, check its integrity. No one likes a broken role. Make sure it matches your Ansible version, verify any dependencies, and give it a quick test. Think of it as taste testing your meal before serving it. Welcome to the role directory, the Ansible equivalent of a well-organized kitchen. You've got tasks, handlers, and templates, the must-have ingredients for automation success. Keeping things tidy here means smoother execution and fewer debugging headaches. Just like a good recipe, organization is key. Dependencies, love them or hate them, but you can't ignore them. Before using a role, check what other roles it relies on. Make sure they're installed correctly and won't create conflicts. Trust me, skipping this step is like ignoring the fine print on a contract. It'll come back to haunt you. Variables, the secret sauce of Ansible Roles. They let you customize everything to your liking. Set them in playbooks, tweak them for flexibility, and always double-check their usage. A well-placed variable can save you a ton of time, so treat them like VIPs in your automation workflow. So you've got the role, now it's time to put it to work. Adding roles to playbooks is simple, but don't forget dependencies and execution order. A well-integrated role works like a team player. It cooperates, doesn't throw tantrums, and ensures everything runs smoothly. Treat it well. Testing, yes, it's extra work, but trust me, it saves you from future headaches. Run your role in a controlled setup first, catch potential errors early, and make sure it behaves as expected. Think of it as rehearsing before a big show. You wouldn't want surprises on opening night. Errors happen, don't panic. Debugging Ansible Roles is all about using the right tools. The debug module is your best friend. Logs hold precious clues, and systematic troubleshooting saves you from unnecessary frustration. Think of debugging as detective work, but with fewer magnifying glasses. Let's talk about making roles work smarter, not harder. First, knowing exactly what the role demands eliminates confusion. Then automation, it's like giving your tasks a caffeine boost. Teamwork, absolutely vital. No one thrives in isolation. Finally, regular check-ins ensure we're not just busy, but actually productive. Roles evolve, and so should our management strategy. Keeping track of changes avoids chaos. Documentation is your best friend. It's like keeping receipts for everything. Smooth transitions mean no one's left scratching their head. And redundancy. Let's not reinvent the wheel every time. Deploying roles is like sending a spacecraft into orbit. Testing is crucial. A role must meet real-world demands, not just look good on paper. Training. If people don't know how to use it, it's just a fancy title. And monitoring, catching issues early avoids major headaches. Roles need babysitting, just kidding. But monitoring is key. Tools help keep track, feedback keeps us grounded, spotting bottlenecks saves time, and adapting ensures we stay relevant. Think of it as a GPS that prevents you from getting lost. Roles aren't set in stone. Regular reviews keep them fresh. Staying updated means we don't lag behind. Business alignment is key. No point having a role that serves no purpose. And improvement, because settling for good enough is so last year. Managing roles is an art. Clarity and objectives avoids missteps. Communication is everything. no one wants a silent team. Accountability means no passing the buck. And innovation, because no one wants to stay stuck in the past. So what did we learn? Roles need care, structure, and adaptability. Our next steps: implement these strategies, keep refining, and never stop improving. Oh, and don't forget to check the resources. It's like the secret ingredient to long-term success. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.